welcome back. Today, you do know the update about Joshua. Yeah, it's my East Beach fan. But hold on. Before you play blocks, let me just read the app first. And then clip this. Remember the train? Yeah, I watched this called The Poor Bandit Mocha Mode. Yeah, there's a lot of histories, but today's video, I'm gonna build this Mocha Mode of the replica. Yep, did you see this? The Gavasaw Poor Mocha Mode. Yeah, don't mind about these ones here, because I just watched them for no reason. Anyways, we're going to restore this Gauss mode, but this time we're going to remodel it as the same Mocha Mode. Okay, the basic of these three things is he's puffward, he's like these tiny wheels and those 3-4 wheels and that's how you build the Mocha Mode. Time to go back to the app. I hope you didn't hear that sound because I know it's noisy, right? So let me just go brick train. Stop. No sounds. We're going to play block trains. So what is the basic part to make this train? So he's black. I know all of you said it was black, so let's do that. But I'm gonna leave this app and then just leave it. The reason why, because I want to build this Mocha Mode. What kind of flipper should we make? We're gonna start with the normal Mocha Mode. So let's see if we can make it all to be like the last Mocha Mode. What is this Mocha Mode? He's black and he's sturdy. Let's build one of these. Like that. It looks like one of the, I don't know what it looks. Okay, so time to use the cabin. I already know what's the perfect cabin. Up here you will see this. I unlocked the entire thing like that because it's very useful when you unlock things. Now time to put it here. Oh wait, hold on. Let's just, this time we're gonna make a big rig. Remember that one train called the American train? Yeah, I wanna build him. He's pretty cool after this. Hold on, let's just do it. That looks weird. Now let me just add a second one of those. Okay, done. So here's the big rig. I don't know if it's the right one. Hold on. It's kind of mysteriously wrong. I think this is the puffler. Or does it? Actually, I'm just gonna stick with the other puffler name as this one. I don't know if that is a Mocha Mode's engine, but hey, it looks like this. So I want to build the cabin. Yeah, I built another big rig Mocha Mode, but it's not. It doesn't have the one piece. Remember that one thing called this? I don't know what I'm talking about, but hey, I'm just gonna still build it. Okay. Yeah, this time I'm not gonna build the other one. Let's pull this up. Let's move it a little. After we made it over this, we're going to make it to the other one. It looks like a big rig, so let's make it bigger. Oh, that looks insane, bro. It looks like a big rig because I watched the other episode. It has a big rig, so I want a big. Yeah, I already have one, but it's not have with a charcoal. Yeah, some big rigs need coal, right, guys? True. Are you really doing something with me? Yeah, because they need coal. Because last time my big rig doesn't have any coal. Remember that America train? That one train is way big. It's kind of like a big train, but I don't know what's the name of it. I may forgot the name of it actually. So here's what the big rig looked like. Hold on, let me just write that. And pause it in the right time. There. Oh wait, it doesn't look nice. Oh man, I throw it out. Oh no, that's worse. That's worse than my mom, Joe Biden. Sorry. Let me just remove that because that doesn't look good actually. So let me just man, my brother come here just because I was recording, so don't need to worry about recording. Hey guys, can I see you? Nah, it doesn't. Okay, it's too big, too fatty. None, bro. There's none small thing. Okay. I think the smallest is we need to build a new kind of. Well, I don't know how to build it. It's so tiny. I can't build it. So, yeah. Do we have anything instead of this, bro? Okay, but where is it? Where? Okay, so after doing like a long year ago, like I can't understand, but I couldn't make my own. Now let me just get this. Yeah, it looks pretty ugly to me. It's kind of disgusting, but why do I even build this part? Yeah, I don't want the details up like this because it looks way worse than my mommy's poet. Okay, I didn't mean to say that. That was just an accident. Okay, so just build that. No. How do we? That's it? Is the end for me? Love you. So this is the here. So I'm gonna add the next part is the roof. Sure, I forgot. Not that time we get that roof. Cool. That is so disgusting right now. I can't fit it in. Oh wait, I forgot this one. This has the ultimate technique. Okay, not that sneaky technique actually. Bro, I try my best, but this is what I came out. Oh my goodness, why is it so disgusting? Why did I even do this, bro? What did I deserve this for? It's time to fix that with some backup plans. Bro, where's the hole? Bro, what? Okay, so I finally found it. Guys, we forgot something actually. I actually forgot. I'm a stupid because I forgot to add this. Okay, so I really forgot. I don't know if I am correct. Okay, everyone, can please somebody help me if this is correct or what? Yeah. Okay, so this is look like a locomotive. Tell me in the comments said. What's it still missing of? What is still missing? Tell me in the comments, okay? Please, bro. I don't know how to make this locomotive because it's kind of hard. Okay, I'll set this on the track. Well, after we do the finish, after we do this, we're going to leave the chat and build it again. I don't know if it will work or not, but some of you, my viewers, saying you have to finish it. Okay, so I really realize it doesn't look like it. Yeah, that looks worse. Okay, back. We'll just fix this part. After doing this, we're going to retry again and then build a second he's cool. I hope it works, because if it doesn't, well, what should I do now if it's gone? Okay, so, guys, tell me the part. If this is correct, you gotta tell me. I don't know if it looks correct, but, oh yeah, I forgot the steam locomotive. Yeah, wait, I don't know what's missing, bro. I think I forgot it. Is it this or this? Maybe it's this part. But guys, looks like that. Don't know if it's the right one. Hold on. That looks kind of worse. Hold on, let me stable it. After that, I'm gonna retrieve it back. Let me just ask. Not that. Okay, time to go back. Don't know if this is the right one, but I can't really know. I can't really know if this is the right one. It's like 50 hours ago. Like, I'm gonna figure out for like 50 hours. Guys, tell me what it's missing, bro. Tell me. If I get wrong, I'm gonna build a second one. Yeah, second one, actually. Okay, so I really need to how do I do this? And I'm not seeing that. I'm just looking at the other. Okay, this is the right one? I don't think, but I don't know. Okay, let's just add the logo. And then after that, we just correct it. And after that, let's leave the train. Okay, let's see if the train is. Please be saved. Yes, it's saved. Okay, time to. Let's not picture it actually. Let's join back in, and then after that, get the train ready. Okay, after doing this like 1,000 million times, we're gonna do the coal. Yeah, everyone tell me how to do the coal because I'm kind of confused how to do it. Actually, I know how to do it. So I will add this. I add. That's not it, bro. That's not it. Okay. So after doing that, we're going to. Oh shit. That looks cool. That looks right. I don't think it doesn't look like the right fit on here. I'm always with rice. Yeah, I think it looks like this, but I can't pretty sure because I can't tell if it's like that or what, or I can't figure out how to do it. So I add this or these. Yeah, I don't know if they're really useful, but after doing it for like 60 hours of torture, I finally did it. Okay, after doing this for like straight 50 hours, how about we add the white to the back? Oh wait, we can't add that because my best possibility is to make this. Actually, let's not make that because that can make it even worse. What are we just doing? Okay, so let me just. What should I do if I ever have this before? Should I add? Yeah, I think gold will be the best thing. Okay, that's kind of big. Well, I can't figure out what to tell, but it's not like that. It looks like this. Yeah. Okay, so after doing this like torture of straight hours, we finally get to do it. Okay, let's add the number and finally add the American star. Yes! Yes! Okay, now time to build the locomotives. Dang, after reconnecting it, that's how you do it. Now time to do the first torture. Yeah, this is kind of hard, but it's kind of pretty easy. Actually, not that. How about we make ourselves this? I really don't know how to make one, but hey, this is the only thing I can do. Yeah, mock 'em up. Let's try what kind of maps it's best to say, let's not go to this part because that could ruin the entire video. I think I have a bold idea. I think this would be the perfect thing. Yeah, I'm scared of heights actually. Okay, after doing this for like, oh, there's kind of like these biscuits or look like cardboard. They look like biscuits. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not even joking right now. It looks like biscuits. Did the developers make it something weird going on in it? What about I just made something unpredictable, like a ramp? Oh yeah, that's not allowed to the company of railroad. Okay, that's no, don't fuck. That's super. Oh, that's how you do it. Guys, does everybody know what kind of professionals in this? No. Get in, bro. Get in. Maybe because this was blocking. There you go. Smack him. Oh, okay. That is pretty insane, actually. Actually, this looks like a safe jump, but my brother tested before this. Okay. Oh my god. So, I thought my cup was set up. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're going full speed. This is what it looks like to be a ramp. Okay, so I actually made 2 big rigs. Yeah, 2 big rigs. Yeah, 2 of them. Yeah, 2. Okay, so I wouldn't get another station. I don't know. I think I should choose. Guys, you might want to not see this because the Mokomo is up there. Nah, I don't care. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna Okay, if you want to turn on the music or not, let me just know in the comments saying, let's let this train. And let's picture it. This is the pole. That's the first time. This is the train. And this is the combine of the train. So that's kind of insane. Yeah, I make a bunch of prototypes like this. Yeah, I found this on the Galveston and rebuild it as a new one. Yeah, I tested out in the race. It was very cool indeed. Yeah, actually I beat the mountain for nuts because of this. Yeah, when I almost go into death, it ends the way just like 360. Yeah, that's the story how I beat that mountain. But that's how. I'm so glad I was almost going to death. This is the JKG. Yeah, it's the other train. And don't forget this train because yeah, it looks like this. But I pictured this locomotive because it looks cool. Oh, so I might want to say you guys, but I might want to not see this guy. Yeah, this looks. Hold on, guys. Let me be back for a moment. Okay guys, I'm back. Bird wanna force me to go inside my room.
Go another. Go there, right there.
Bro.
Here.
Oh, what?
Right there.
Bruh. Who's doing that? Okay, don't forget this train. It's my favorite. Bro, I swear, if this... I got reloaded! Who's doing this, bro? Wait, I already know it now. It's my brother. It's my brother doing this the entire time. Bro, what's going on? Okay, don't forget this train. Don't mind about that sound. It's kind of... Oh, don't forget this train. Actually, this is the same train. I built this same prototype of the train. Bro! What is that? Bro, is that the other train? Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, let's get out of here as soon as possible. Because it's... I'm not going back to that. Okay, let's go back to Black's trains again. I hope we missed finally the final one. Remember that other train I supposed to tell you?
22.
I don't know.
22.
So time to leave the app again. Yeah, don't mad for me to think I accidentally did this. Let's go back to YouTube. Let's go click to my own YouTube and you will see this. Yeah, I don't think, because these 4 wheels, yeah, they're not, but seem like they're not connected. Seem like they're connected to another train. Yep, sorry guys, I can't make 4 wheels on this train. Don't forget this wheel and that. I know those because they're actually insist in there. But the hardest part to make the oil tanker in this thing. Yeah, this will be really hard for them. Yeah, this will be really hard on the next episode. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do the basic way. But there's just one problem. He has these. I don't know if there's no bell. That'll be way worse. Yeah, I think that would be worse than that. Wait, is that a bell? Everyone tell me in the chat if that is a bell. Don't forget this one, and that's the crane lifting up the train. Don't think that's not a bell. I think it doesn't have any bell. I think, of course, these are bells, but let me see if I can build it fast and lightning up speed. Okay, time to go back to Block's trains. No, not Blake car. How can we build that train if we have a Blake car? Not a train. I forgot to turn off the music. Okay, the music is not on, so time to go back to it. Like, whatever that is. But time to build the Mokomo. This will be way harder than I was expecting. Why? Because I don't know. Is that my bird musicking? Guys, can you like and subscribe because my bird's singing? Okay, time to do it now. Where this bird will stop. Oh, I think I forgot. So, do we have a flat surface kind of like that? Okay, I think we don't have any flat surface actually. But what about this? It looks worse than my Joe jump up. Okay, first we're making the wheel basic. So we're just going to build like that. Is that even an app? I think no. I don't know if there's actual space. Okay guys, after building the big rig, this is what it looks. Yeah, this is the only thing I can make. I'm just kidding. We can still build it. Okay. Maybe I forgot something. Okay, I found another way how to get this. Let me just... Sorry guys, but I can't figure out. But if he has one of these, well, how do I know if he has one of those? Okay, let's see if we can move this. Oh wait, that looks way cool. Wait. Let's see if we can add one of these. I think that looks ugly. Hold on. Let me do a fake. Let me just do a basic thing like figuring out the puzzles. Yeah. The best opportunity is just doing like this. Sorry guys, but it's not connected in the wheel. Yeah, that's the only thing I can do. But in case of making these old, we can just a case to make this. Yeah, but there's just one problem. I need to build this. Yeah. I think my brother's talking to Mike. He's power. Yeah, meaning he's guys. I'm sure this looks cool. I don't think it looks cool. Wait, what's the basic? Does it, guys? Don't tell me it has 4 wheels or 5 wheels. I think I forgot. I think how many wheels he has. I think there's 6 in total, but oh wait, in the basic they're supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wheels. I can't really know if this is a real. I can't know, bro. What I forgot? Hold on, let's just move. That looks way uglier, bro. We're not seeing that face over here. Okay, so time to like this. Is that what I was talking about actually, guys? I don't really know because wait, what does he look like in the picture? Oh, we need a flat surface actually, bro. Bro, if I made that flat surface, what can I do if I just made that? Oh, well, I'm trying to make the basics of it. Actually, we can make a bell first time. So we have to use our bare hands to literally do this process for like. You might be doing John Cena. Nah, I think he's not because he may be going a little bit crazy, like saying like, "Ah, stupid."
Okay.
There is it. Some of them are supposed to be big, but this is what I get. this looks stupid. Okay, so it's set to have another piece. If it fits or what. So we're just adding it. Actually, let's not add a ladder because I don't know if he has a ladder or what. Let's see if he has it. No, we can't fit that in. We need a better solution. Yeah, my better solution is just make it like this for the cabin. Yeah, I now get it now. Guys, I now get it right now because it's really simple. Just getting. Okay, like that. Now let's move it a little bit. Okay, just like that. Just like this. Wait, this is one missing detail. I'm gonna add the smallest rib actually, let's make it smaller because of course it looks kind of. No, let's not add that. Because it looks small actually. Bro, what can I do? I have that. Oh, well, I have no choice. Time to dive in. Like, wait, maybe he has a small compartment. I can't really know for sure. Like this. It's just the. Actually, we're not seeing it. like. This is what I get. Well, why does it look shit? Why does it look... Bro, does it have a window? I think... Yes. So he has a window, I think. So we don't need to worry if he doesn't have any windows. Oh, we can only get them in the other place. Well, that's sad. Oh wait, we can just replace these and just switch one of these actually. How stupid I am actually. Okay, so time to use that. And should I choose one of this? Wait a minute. That looks better. Wait, let's just add that. Oh my. Okay, so let me just add that. We can just. How about I just instead? And let's just move it like this. This. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's too big of this. Bro, what's up? Can't figure out if this is correct. Okay, so does he has? Oh wait, he only has the. Okay, so let's just that, and let's get the mocha modes like that. But we can't forget about this bell. Oh wait, doesn't he have a bell? I think he has one. So I think way tiny. Of course, like that. This is his life. Okay. Did my mom scream for a while, or is my mom doing some of this? So let's not mind about that. Let's focus on the train. Okay, like this. That looks cool. Oh wait, I can't move this actually. Now let's not worry about that. Just do not mind about the other one I was supposed to tell you actually. But does he have a cabin or what? Okay, I now get it. The logo is, instead of making it look like this, just a poorly making locomotive, oh, we just add him a sign. Name he was built. Okay, so this is what his sign would look like. Yeah, this looks cool. That looks way cool. I think. Oh, I forgot something. Yeah, one of these actually. What? We can't move these? Oh, well, that's sad. Womp womp. We can't do anything. I think my bird is crying because of I think they messed up now. Does it look like one?
Ang anak mo, nag-iiyak ka na. Naka sa kalaro niya. Kasi sigaw siya. Patigilin mo
Hold
na
on.
siya. Time out mo na siya paglalabas na kila. Pipikon siya. Shan! Shan!
Ano ko yung anak ni Shane?
Wait, is my bird crying for real?
Shan!
Yung pa rin siya. Sige.
Wait, is my bird crying for real? Wait. I can't understand. My bird is crying.
Pare.
No way. Wait. Nah, did my brother cry? What? How did he cry? How did he cry, bro? Bro. Oh, he cried. What? How did they cry? Bro, I'm scared for him. I think he's just like crying like a baby. Wait, I didn't even say that. Oh, it's time to just bend this up a little bit. Oh wait. That looks way better than I was original.
Pare.
Okay, time to make a small one actually for this. Okay, this is what the Mokomo look like. So after doing that other plan, we're just gonna leave out like that. I hope it saves the train, because if it doesn't not, well, this video will end. Okay, there it is. Let me just like it so it would have disappeared. I was worried for that, bro. So time to go and action. Stop chugging around like that. Okay, time to go to there. I'm too lazy to click on that, so how about a better way? How about we just click on this? Okay, so it's set to be an oil tanker. I think.
Gusto.
Look like in the video. Okay. Okay, where's the other circles? Like this. No. Whoa. What? Circle? Wait, circle? Wait. Oh, hold on, guys. Let me just quit. Hold on.
Buti naman.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
Linis na ako eh.
Kasi kung nag-aasaran kayo, tapos ikaw rin ang pikon sa huli, wala tayong magagawa doon na. Yun ang kailangan mo matutunan.
Guys,
Te,
I didn't mean to record. No way. Try to, bro. Try to. Bro, my brother is crying for real?
Yeah.
So time to get back to work of the train. It looks like this.
Gusto.
I don't know if it looks like that, but oh wait, it has a light actually on it. So that's correct. Okay, just a little bit details and kaboom! 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 Like kaboom! Okay, so that's what it looks like. Just like that. It looks like this. Actually, not like that. Oh, there it is. Small it in. Just fit it in. Oh, let's just big it in. I'll try and add this. It's a tanker pumper, so like that. The logo on it will be.
Sila nga nung maglaro, ka na makipaglaro sa kanila, pag ginaganyan ka.
kinakasahan kasi, di ba?
Oo, kinakanta daw kasi siya.
Oo, mga kinakasahan naman siya na huwag siya kumanta kasi ano,
Okay, let's go here.
parang ganun lang siguro siya.
Wait, is that the same number? Okay, so time to add the battery. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, everyone, we made the first detail. This. Oh, that's my bird. Oh, my. Oh wait, it's my bird cried actually. Yeah, my bird just cried because of his friends bullying him. So we just add one of these. Yeah, like that. So let's make it full beast because I think we should try it out. I love this place because yeah, this place is okay. This is what the final results look like. Oh, here's the biscuit again. Hold on, let me just not talk because this thing could be hard.
Sige pa rin. 2.20. 2.20.
Okay, now it's finished. I didn't make the other one. Stick with this now. Hold on, let me just.
Dito, Machos.
Just go to there. Hold on. Oh, I didn't make it properly. I was just making something. Hold on, let me ask my mom. I've been doing like the first time. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let me just ask mom. Hey mommy. Mommy. Say hi to my viewers. Say hi.
Hi.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay. Okay. This time we're going to.
2.23.
Oh.
10-10.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Maybe why am I going so fast? Because of this. Oh! You down? No way, I just knocked those out. Okay, they didn't even see this. No! We escaped! We actually escaped? Wait. Then, what's that other one? They told me it's above us. What's the biggest thing about that? Okay, it's still my, oh, there's a sign. That? Yep, it's always. So, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, we made my first Galvanstein Mokomo. Yeah. Let me picture. Let me just cheese, man. Okay, let me cheese you. Let me cheese you. That's the same thing. Okay, so if you love my build, like this build, yeah, that was pretty easy. Yeah, like that. Yeah, not that thing because that could be wrong or like. How easy would it be? Just add that.
Fishing ka na.
Ta-da! Finish.
Nalahihi lang po ako.
Don't forget about the cart. Okay, that's the finished part. Yep, that's how the ending works. Oh wait, I forgot. I forgot the big bird does that. Oh, well, that's my son's sword. But the final last one, let's make Thomas. Thomas the tank engine? Yes, Thomas the tank engine. So I really realized I can just make Thomas the tank engine. Just making these few parts. I don't think this will be an easy task because Thomas doesn't even exist. So today, hey, what will we build Thomas the first time? But we have to be strong. Yeah, we're not gonna my first start of making the train. Yeah, unlock the game pass. So I can build whatever I want, but I can't forget about these trains. Oh, I also built this train, the same train on the Americans. Yeah, it's on the Americans. Okay, so this is Thomas over here. And time to change his own career. Okay, so Thomas, let me just remove that. And then just place it with a new head. But this time with a different head. Okay, so time to add. This looks that's weird. I didn't mean that to pop up. So after making Thomas, kaboom! He's finally created. Oh, we can't forget about these number 1. So let's remove these. Oh wait, I didn't mean to remove that actually. So let me just place it back. Thomas, we can still make you alive. Don't pass out, okay? So let me just bring back its own number. Oh, Thomas won. I finally found it. So after making Thomas won, change his whole career. Thomas is kind of like some different. But hey, we need a bill actually. Boom, finish. So kaboom! He's finally finished. He's the number 1 Thomas. Also, it's still if the other train is still here. Actually, not. So we're gonna make the car like 1, 2,
Hindi kasi
3. Yeah, 3. But this looks amazing. Let's see. The one thing I ever remember is the mines. The mines. Yeah, I just want oh yeah, there's a patches. Why is there always a patches, bro? Okay. Like that other one. Okay, so oh, that's wrong. No, what's just the right one? Okay, this is it. That's it. What? That's what I want to. So finally, he's changed into a Thomas. Yeah, everyone loves Thomas. Make sure to put this train emoji. Like, yeah, put the train on it. If you guys love Thomas, that's kind of good for you. If you don't, well, I think they're kind of easy with Thomas. I told you Thomas is strong. Everyone was riding Thomas because he's a great legend in Tolkien. No way, they're in a very easy way. Look, you can just jump off like 12 feet ahead. Oh yeah, I forgot. He's a Tolkien, so he doesn't have like everyone. Yeah, he doesn't have a car, so he's only we park on the... Let me just make Tom's bridge go. Hey, what's going on to the elevator? Why is it shaking a little bit? Oh, it sounds glitching. Oh, there it is. Oh, man. Oh, bro. I think the elevator was jiggly. Okay, so time to bring Tom. Oh yeah, I know about this train. You ever want a piece? I know those. So yeah. Oh wait. Wait, is he on my tablet now? Or is he just... Okay, so we made it there. Guys, if you like and subscribe on me, I'll make another episode. But this time, I'm making another different train, actually. Yeah, another train. So if you want to like and subscribe, make sure to ring the bell on notifications, and so this will be the last episode I will ever sing. Make sure to like and subscribe, because make sure to make my set my comments on my other channel, because today I'm just gonna record a live streaming action of seeing the first time of the Galveston episode. Yeah, we're going to start with 3 promising things, and after that, we're doing the last one. Yeah, I wonder what it looks like when I finally restore. I forgot. Okay, then this is what the restored looked like. So, that's Thomas, the tank engine. That looks cool, but there's the other engine. So, if you want to like and subscribe for me, make sure to ring that ding dong or whatever that is, but make sure to ring that the bell I see, and I hope you were happy to see me. And once again, if you want to see me in the next channel, make sure you won't even see me, because maybe I don't know if you can watch me in an episode. Anyways, goodbye everyone. So see you in the next channel. Goodbye.